y'all, it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel. This video is a Stylogic try-on haul and review. So Stylogic, this is the first time that I've ever tried this clothing subscription box. It is strictly plus size. I was just looking back at my email and they carry sizes 12 through 36. It is like a typical subscription box, 5 items, $20 styling fee, but they actually gave me a discount code. If you've never tried Stylogic and it's something that you think you may want to try, I will put the code here on the screen to get you $5 off. It's also in the description box with a direct link to sign up. I will say too, this box, you get to keep the items and try them on for 7 days, which is more, if I'm remembering correctly, than any other box I've ever tried. A lot of them are 5 days. I have tried a couple of boxes that are 3 days, but 7 days is the longest amount of time that they give you to decide if you like something or not. So I've already tried everything on in this box. We're going to talk about it. We'll talk price, sizing, brands, all of that fun stuff. And at the end, we'll decide if we like the items, if we don't like the items, that sort of thing. So let's get into it. I am reading here too that if you keep everything in your box, you get 20% off, plus whatever you choose to keep, that $20 styling fee is credited. So that's pretty standard too. The first thing I want to start with is probably, look at the color first of all. The prettiest color, one of the most flattering dresses that I have ever tried in my life. This dress is absolutely gorgeous. The brand is ELVI, E-L-V-I. It's in a US size 18. But it's this like short bell sleeve, fitted at the top, flowy-ish at the bottom, zips up the back. Look at that gorgeous gold zipper. I can't get over the color. This, y'all, you're looking at me wearing it, is just so pretty. And I will say too, seeing the size, I was a little worried that the 18 would be too snug, but I am so glad that they sent me this size because it's perfect. I want to tell you what the fabric is too, because I want you to have an idea of what it feels like. So it says 90% polyester, 10% elastane. It's almost like a velvet suede feeling. This is called the ELVI short sleeve grommet, G-R-O-M-M-E-T faux suede dress. It is $72. This dress honestly surprises me. Number one, that it fits because it's in a size 18. Typically with dresses, I can go a little bit smaller, but this one being a fitted dress, I didn't think would work. And the color is gorgeous. The sleeves are adorable. I love that it's fitted here and loose on the hips. It hits at the perfect length. I do have some accessories and a handbag or a clutch that they sent. So let's talk about those and then we'll come back and I'll show you what it looks like all together. And like I just mentioned, let's talk about the 2 accessories that came in this box. The first thing is this clutch, but it's almost like a quilted looking, I don't know, it's very different. When I saw clutch on the paper, when I pulled it out initially, I certainly didn't expect this. It's a gray-brown color, gold hardware, Stylogic tag on it, so I'm assuming it's one of their brands. Yeah, there's no logo or anything in here, but it does come with a longer strap and a little wristlet if you wanted to have something to hold on to versus carrying it just like this. Now this, I don't know if it's really my style by itself. You'll see it paired with the dress and my opinion changes just a little bit. This is called the Stylogic brand quilted nylon crossbody clutch bag. It's $32. Now let's talk jewelry. This statement necklace kind of inspired me to wear these earrings. I used to be so into statement jewelry, and over the years I've kind of switched into more dainty things, but this necklace is just so fun. I love all the colors. I love that it is a statement piece. I don't know if I would pair a statement necklace with the dress because if you remember, or as you're about to see, that dress does have the bit of gold cutouts on the neckline, but I do think this is really pretty. Imagine this with a white collared top and just a pair of maybe straight leg cropped jeans and mules would be adorable. So this is called the Aqua statement necklace. It's $34. Okay, full outfit. Here we go. Necklace. I don't know if the dress really needs a necklace because it does have this bit of detail at the top, but the necklace is really pretty. The little clutch, and then I just paired it with these nude colored little chunky peep toe heels that I already own. I chose this color because I knew the bag was this brown. So this is the outfit. Could be cute for date night. I like the dress. It's very comfortable. I don't own anything this color. I love the sleeves. I don't know about the bag, though it all looks cute together, right? I have two things left in this box, and for the purpose of having an outfit, I'll pair them together. It's a blue floral top and then a pair of black and white, almost cropped leggings, but they're business appropriate leggings. So let's talk about the top first. The brand is Michel Studio in a US size 18. It's long sleeve with an actual cuff that buttons. I do really like the length of this. I think it's really pretty. I also don't own anything like this. The dark with the blue floral, I do think is really pretty. Now you're looking at me wearing it with the pants that came in the box, but I almost could see myself wearing this out on date night with a nice pair of skinny jeans, and if I'm brave enough, high-waisted, tuck them in, belt it, and wear a pair of little chunky heels. I think could be such a cute date night outfit. This is called the long sleeve smocked shoulder floral chiffon blouse. It's 59 bucks. How funny. Maybe that's why I have the idea. The girl in the logo picture has it tucked in and belted. I don't own just a black cami to wear underneath it, so I'm wearing this like open back oneable tank top, so it is a little bit too long. If I like this and decided to keep it, I would just need to buy a regular black cami. I love the pattern, like the black with the blue floral print, I think is really pretty. I like the long sleeves. I don't like that you have to wear a cami underneath it. I prefer things that are lined or that are thick enough to where I don't need to wear something underneath it. But with that being said, this cami works out, or this tank top I'm wearing underneath it works out really well because it is high enough so it covers that bit here where there could be a chance for cleavage to come out. I think it could be good with leggings too because of how long it is. It's a tad bit snug, but then again it is in a size 18. Overall, I think it's really pretty. Now to the pants. You've seen me wear them. These are the brand Lysse in a size 3X. This brand I know I've gotten from Amazon Prime before, and it is a pretty pricey brand, so I was surprised a little bit when it popped up in this box. Elastic waistband, pull up, no button, no zip, no pockets front or back, and they're cropped little leggings. These are, like I said, in a size 3X, but they are a little bit snug. I know in my experience with this brand, it does run a little bit small, but these are lined. I think it's a great option for work. It's almost like you're faking people out, like you're wearing dress pants, but they don't feel like dress pants, you know? I like the pattern. They aren't high-waisted. You'll hear me talk about that in a second. So I don't know if these are the best option for me. I think they're just a little bit ill-fitting. So these are called the herringbone stretch knit legging, and they are $49. That surprises me because I expected them to be quite a bit more money just from my experience in buying them outside of a box. I think that they're a tad bit too small, and they're definitely not high-waisted. So I was trying to pull them up and they don't want to come up all the way. It's almost borderline where my underwear are going to be poking out of the top. I know this brand too. I've purchased or ordered things on Amazon Prime wardrobe that were this brand. So I know that it's a good brand. It's a pricey brand and they feel nice. No pockets in the front or the back, right? No pockets, no. And they're just elastic. They just pull on up. Now let's talk totals. Everything in my box comes to $246. Now you get the styling fee credited to whatever you keep, that's 20 bucks. Plus if you keep all 5 items, you get that 20% discount. So if I kept every single thing in this box, my total is $176.80, which I think is a great deal. The dress by itself is 72 bucks, and the fit of it, I feel like I know a lot of y'all at home, I feel like I kind of understand y'all too. I know y'all watch me here, but we also talk all the time in the comment section and on social media. So I know that most of y'all are going to really like the green dress, especially how I styled it with the nude colored little peep toe chunky heel. The purse or the clutch and the necklace I think look really, really pretty with it. I do like the Michel Studio top, the bag, the purse, as I mentioned. The only thing that I don't care for are the knit leggings in this box, but it's cheaper for me to keep everything than to split it up, because once I split it up, I don't get the discount, and the discount saves me a little bit more money. Not much, but it does save me a little bit more money. For the first box ever with Stylogic, I say it's a success. The top, the bag, the dress, I really, really like. The necklace and the pants. The necklace I need to get back into. As I said, I really want to get back into statement jewelry, especially with summer coming around. The pants are, I mentioned, a little bit ill-fitting, so those will probably pop up on my Poshmark one day. But for the most part, I love getting these clothing subscription boxes. I think they're fun for me because someone else looks at your picture, a picture of your body, your measurements, and your style profile and says, I think she would like these things, and I just think that's fun. So again, I will leave a direct link to sign up for Stylogic in the description box down below. There's also a discount code, don't forget, for $5 off. I don't make anything off that discount code. It's just there if y'all want to try this box. As always, in the comment section down below, let me know what you liked, what you didn't like, and thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.